Namaste. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Padmashri, Ayurvedic Vaidya. Today I'm going to share basic knowledge about pimples and its prevention. Pimples are main complaints in teenagers and are rarely seen in adults over the age 40. In Ayurveda, pimple is called Yavana Pidaka. Yavana means youth and Pidaka means skin eruption. Hence, the pidakas are more seen in youth. Pimples are caused due to the excess production of oil from the sebaceous glands, leading to the blockage of hair follicles. Small superficial bumps on face, chest, back, and shoulders are symptoms of pimples. As the sebaceous glands are situated more on these places, face, chest, back, and shoulders, they are seen mainly on these places. Why do we get pimples? The common cause is hormonal changes in adolescent age, that is, teenagers. As the growth hormones are more, among them, androgen level is high, then there is a more chances of pimples. Genetic factors like if your family members are suffered with the pimples, then there is a chances of more pimples. Other causes are like unhygienic lifestyle. It means if you are not maintaining the proper hygiene, cleanliness of the skin, then this uh, causes more clogging of the sebaceous glands by filling debris or dust, which causes more pimples. If you are taking more oily, spicy, fatty, or sweet foods, which also increases the secretion of androgen, and there is a more pimples. Disturbed sleep or late night sleeping, or if you have any stress, this also causes increased androgen levels. There are different stages of pimples. In the first stage, there are only white heads or black heads. It means the sebaceous glands are clogged with like white or uh, black, some soft material. Especially it is seen on the nose. So many people can notice these white heads and black heads on the nose and rarely on the forehead. In the second stage, this starts turns into a reddish or pinkish with mild swollen bumps. In the third stage, this changes into a pustules where we can see more pus filled and which is painful also. In the fourth stage, it becomes in a cyst or nodule form where the pimple starts developing beneath the skin and it is more swollen with more pain. Tips to prevent pimples. In the treatment of pimples, prevention is very important. So first, we have to reduce foods which are high glycemic index. It is proven that more carbohydrates circulating in the blood is directly increasing the androgen uh, secretions. Intake of fresh vegetables and fruits helps relieve the constipation and maintains the gastrointestinal tract, which also helps in the prevention of pimples. And the whole grains, seafood, and lean meat, which are less fat content, also keeps the healthy diet and reduces the pimple formation. And stay hydrated means drinking plenty of water removes excess toxins in the blood, which also reduces in the pimple formation. Avoid excess use of cosmetics that contains harmful chemicals, uh, because these chemicals may trigger the pimple formation. It is better to use a mild cosmetics. Avoid poking or squeezing your pimples. This specially invades secondary infections and leads to the scars. And scars takes a very long time to heal. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, which helps in self-healing. Ayurvedic remedies. Below are magical herbs of Ayurveda with proven results in antiseptic and anti-inflammatory actions. From ancient age, turmeric, honey, and aloe vera are used as a beauty agents, and also in many skin infections. These were the main drugs, or we can say they were the drug of choice. And even today, many scientific researches has been done over these medicines, and it is proven that they are very efficient in skin diseases. And you can also see these medicines are used in many cosmetic items, even in face washes or face packs. I have explained here categorizing the skin. The treatment is explained categorizing the skin as oily skin and normal to dry skin. So oily skin means you can notice there is a lot of oiliness over the skin. Even if you wash once, like again after 6 to 7 hours, there will be a lot of oily secretion over the skin, and especially on the scalp also there will be oily secretion. So if you have an oily skin, then every night wash your face with equal quantities of turmeric and basin powder, which removes the excess oil on the face and keeps the skin dry, which helps to reduce pimples. And also it reduces formation of pimples. Honey face pack once daily after the um, face wash also keeps the skin dry and prevents pimples. Honey and turmeric in equal quantity. Here I have included turmeric because it reduces pain and inflammation. If you have any pain, then you can include turmeric in face pack. In normal to dry skin, every night face wash with equal quantities of turmeric and green gram powder maintains skin moisture. And after face wash, aloe vera gel face pack maintains skin moisture by hydrating, and it is best in normal to dry skin. And here also, if there is any swelling, pain in the pimples, then you can mix turmeric in equal quantities along with the aloe vera gel and use it as a face pack. Beauty comes from within. Since the pimples, the main cause is hormonal, maintaining good hygiene, self-care, and patience are also important. Khadirarism is a gentle Ayurvedic medicines. It can be given to um, patients who are having like more skin diseases, suffering from more skin diseases or pimples. This can be taken generally. If you are diabetic, in case of diabetic, then it is contraindicated in diabetic patients. The dose is 10 ml with equal quantity of water after food. It can be taken for a duration of 1 month. If you have any one or more following complaints like burning eyes or soles, excessive sweating with bad odor, sore taste in the mouth, gastritis or burning in the chest, then these are symptoms of pitta aggravation. So pitta aggravation in Ayurveda, it is explained even pitta aggravation also increases the pimple formation. So better we can avoid the pitta aggravation, or we reduce the pitta aggravation by taking hydrating foods like buttermilk, watermelon, muskmelon, and vegetables like bitter gourd, ash gourd, butter gourd. It reduces the above symptoms. When to consult doctor? This is very important. All sorts of pimples and all stages, it is very difficult to take um, home remedies. So generally 20 to 30 pimples over the face, like including forehead, cheeks, nose, is very common. And if there are only white heads or black heads or any small red bumps home remedy is sufficient. If the pimples are spread over back, shoulder, and chest with pain and itching, then it is time to consult doctor. Or if you have a pimples more than 5 which are pus filled or which are in nodule or cyst form, then also it is the time to consult doctor. Thank you. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to click on like button and subscribe for more updates.